Yo, Wincrease team, what's good? It is Saturday morning, May 1st, 2021, and the market is officially closed. So let's jump right into the market recap. Before I do, make sure that you hit that like, hit subscribe, leave some comments, do whatever you want. Just make sure you do one of those three, all right? So the S&P, as I say always, record highs. Yeah, it gets old, right? So the market closed at 41.81.17. Record high was 42.18.78. So we did officially make that record high this week. However, it did pull back to around the same levels where it was at the prior weeks. So the 2 weeks before that, it was around this level, pushed a little higher, and it came back down. There is an old market saying of never short a dull market. And this is probably what's going on right now. A lot of people may think that the market may continue to try to move lower from here, but we don't see any signals indicating that currently. We have our 20-day moving average starting to trend higher, and now our price is getting close to meeting that again. So there's a good chance that what you saw here may likely happen up here as well. So I had a target of 4,200 before. It hit it. Now we're going to see if it's going to move past that. So that is the S&P. Let's check out the ticker IWM. That's going to be the ETF for the Russell. Now, what I've said in the prior weeks is that I'd only be concerned if I saw a break below 220. And we saw that it had moved below it last week, and I said that it would likely move up to that 230 and try to go higher. It did make it to that 230 mark, but then now it's back around 220, 225 or so. Close was 224.89, and we have all of our moving averages still pushing higher. So it bounced around here, well, it got here, and I'm looking forward to see if it could bounce higher back to that 230 and possibly higher from there. That is our market recap. Don't forget to check out Stocks and Bars, this podcast, every single month. Don't forget to check out my boys Marathon Money as well. They do their podcast every single week. Go sign up at Marathon Money Plus in order to get you access to premium content. So that is going to be it for this week's market recap. I want you to enjoy your weekend, and we'll check you out later. All right, peace.